Welcome to my neighborhood. Won't you be my neighbor?
We are in Newport with Benita and Dave. We're walking up to the Purple People Bridge at the Ohio River, Cincinnati Riverfront, for what we call tall stacks, but I guess they call it the Cincinnati River Routes now.
My favorite place, Colonel's.
All right, we're walking up to the Cincinnati Riverfront. I'm going to get this camera turned around and show you what's all going on around here. They got booths all over the place and stuff going on all over. There's the Big Mac Bridge, and we're walking on the Purple People Bridge. I'm not sure what that one is. On over there you can see the 75 Bridge. Somewhere the suspension bridge, I don't see it, but it's here. You can see the people over on Serpentine Wall lined up to get rides on all these boats. Can't tell what all the names are, but they had them listed on the website. What all they were. This is the Kentucky riverfront now. Looks totally different from when I was growing up. There used to be nothing here, and now Newport has this really cool area here with the cinemas and shops and restaurants, and they've really done a great job over on the Newport side, the Newport area. All right, Kenny, I don't know about you, but I'm really digging this music. Woo! That's a dance. You want some dance? Oh, now that's at least real music. I was talking about these horn tooting musical things. No, pipe organ. Yeah, pipe organs are not my favorite music. We dance to this lovely music. Woohoo! Yeah. Gotta get our polka on. They're slow. Slow and slower coming up. Well, this was a fun afternoon.